Hello there, and welcome to another video of Library Astro. Today, we venture into the educational side of the library. Let's talk about natural selection and evolution. Get ready to explore the fascinating mechanisms that have shaped life on Earth. From the smallest microorganisms to the towering giants, evolution is the story of life's incredible journey. Join me as we unravel the intricate tapestry of natural selection. Evolution is the foundation of life's diversity. It's a process of change that happens over many generations. Natural selection, the driving force behind evolution, favors individuals with traits that increase their chances of survival and reproduction. These advantageous traits are then passed down to their offspring. Over time, these small changes accumulate, leading to the development of new species and the incredible biodiversity we see today. From the intricate camouflage of a chameleon to the powerful wings of an eagle, each adaptation tells a story of survival and adaptation. Let's delve deeper into the mechanisms that make evolution possible, starting with the concepts of variation and inheritance. Imagine a vast library filled with blueprints. Each blueprint holds the instructions to build a living organism. These blueprints are the genes, passed down from parents to offspring. They determine an organism's traits, from the color of a flower to the size of a whale. These genes are made up of DNA, the molecule of life. DNA carries the genetic code, a language written in 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. This code determines the characteristics of every living thing. Think of it like this. Each gene is like a single instruction in the blueprint. These instructions guide the development and function of an organism. Just like a blueprint determines the design of a building, genes shape the characteristics of life. No two individuals are exactly alike. Even within the same species, there's a remarkable amount of variation. Look around you, from the subtle differences in the shapes of leaves to the unique patterns on a butterfly's wings. Variation is everywhere. This variation arises from differences in genes. Mutations or changes in the DNA sequence introduce new variations into a population. These mutations can be random, occurring spontaneously over time. Variation is the spice of life, is what makes each individual unique. This diversity within a species is essential for its survival. Just like a diverse portfolio protects an investor, genetic variation makes a species more adaptable to change. Section 3. A shared legacy. Inheritance. We inherit our genes from our parents. This is why we share similar characteristics with our family members. From our eye color to our height, many of our traits are influenced by the genes passed down through generations. This inheritance of traits is a fundamental principle of biology. Through reproduction, parents pass on their genes to their offspring. This transmission of genetic information ensures the continuation of life, but inheritance is not always straightforward. Some traits are determined by a single gene, while others are influenced by multiple genes interacting with each other. The environment also plays a role, shaping how our genes are expressed. Section 1. Climate's influence on traits. Our planet is a mosaic of diverse environments. from scorching deserts to icy tundras. Each region presents unique challenges for survival. Over time, human populations have adapted to their local climates, developing traits that enhance their chances of survival and reproduction. These adaptations can be seen in our physical characteristics such as skin color, body shape, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. For example, people living in equatorial regions where sunlight is intense tend to have darker skin pigmentation. This is no coincidence. Melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color, acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting against the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation. In regions with less sunlight, lighter skin pigmentation allows for better absorption of UV radiation, essential for vitamin D production. Section 2, From Skin Tone to Body Shape, a global perspective. Body shape reflects our evolutionary history. Colder climates favor stockier builds. Warmer climates favor taller, leaner builds. These adaptations extend to animals. Polar bears and penguins have blubber for insulation. Camels and desert foxes have adaptations for staying cool. Natural selection drives these adaptations. Convergent evolution, nature's mimicry. Evolution sometimes takes a similar path in different parts of the world. Convergent evolution occurs when unrelated species evolve similar traits. Sharks and dolphins both have streamlined bodies for efficient swimming. Bats and birds both developed wings for flight. The struggle for existence. Life is a constant struggle. From birth, organisms face predators, disease, and competition. Only the fittest pass on their genes. This struggle drives natural selection. Traits like camouflage and speed aid survival. Think of it like a race. Not all individuals are equal. Some are faster, stronger, or more cunning. The strong have a better chance of survival. Section 2, Survival of the Fittest. A balancing act. Survival of the fittest doesn't always mean being the biggest, strongest, or fastest. Sometimes it's about being the most adaptable, the most resourceful, or the best at avoiding danger. It's about finding the right balance of traits to thrive. For example, a small agile animal might be better suited to life in a dense forest than a large, powerful predator. Similarly, a plant that can tolerate drought conditions will have an advantage in an arid environment. The environment plays a crucial role in determining which traits are advantageous. What works in one environment might be detrimental in another. This is why we see such a diversity of life on Earth. Each species has adapted to its own unique niche. Section 3, From Seeds to Societies. Reproduction's reach. Survival is only half the battle. To pass on their genes, organisms must also reproduce. Reproduction is the process by which life creates more life, ensuring the continuation of a species. Different organisms have evolved different strategies for reproduction. Some, like bacteria, reproduce asexually, creating clones of themselves. Others, like humans and most animals, reproduce sexually, combining their genes with those of a partner. Sexual reproduction shuffles the genetic deck. creating new combinations of traits in each generation. This genetic diversity is essential for adaptation, as it provides the raw material for natural selection to act upon. Time, the sculptor of life. Evolution is a slow and gradual process. Small changes accumulate over time, like sculpting a masterpiece from stone. Each chip, each refinement takes time. Natural selection shapes life's diversity. Section 2. Advantageous traits, keys to success. In the game of life, advantageous traits are the keys to success. These traits, shaped by natural selection, give individuals a leg up in survival and reproduction. They might be physical adaptations, like camouflage, or speed, or behavioral adaptations, like cooperation or problem-solving skills. Traits that increase fitness are more likely to be passed on to the next generation. The environment plays a crucial role in determining which traits are advantageous. From fins to limbs, a story of adaptation. One of the most remarkable examples of adaptation is the transition of vertebrates from water to land. This evolutionary journey, spanning millions of years, involved a series of profound anatomical and physiological changes. Fossil evidence suggests that the ancestors of land vertebrates were lobe-finned fishes, possessing sturdy fins that allowed them to navigate shallow waters and even crawl short distances on land. Over time, these fins gradually evolved into limbs, paving the way for the first tetrapods, four-limbed vertebrates. This transition was driven by a complex interplay of factors. Changes in climate and sea levels may have created new opportunities for life on land, while competition for resources in aquatic environments may have spurred some fish towards a terrestrial existence. Our journey takes us to the evolution of modern humans. We stand as a testament to natural selection, our existence a result of countless adaptations. Our lineage traces back to Africa, where our earliest ancestors walked the earth. These early hominids possessed the spark of humanity. They walked upright, had larger brains, and used tools. Our understanding of human evolution has been greatly enriched by the work of scientists like David Reich. In his book, Who We Are and How We Got Here, Reich unravels the complexities of our ancestry, revealing a tapestry woven from multiple hominid lineages. Through groundbreaking genetic analysis, Reich and his colleagues have shown that modern humans carry within their DNA the traces of ancient interbreeding with Neanderthals and Denisovans, our close evolutionary cousins. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of human evolution. It revealed that our history is not a simple linear progression, but rather a complex web of interconnectedness. We are the product of multiple migrations, adaptations, and interminglings, a testament to the power of genetic exchange in shaping our species. Over millennia, our ancestors transitioned from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled agriculturalists. This shift in lifestyle had a profound impact on our evolution, leading to changes in our diet, social structures, and susceptibility to diseases. The development of agriculture allowed for larger, more complex societies to emerge, paving the way for the civilizations we know today. However, it also brought about new challenges, such as the spread of infectious diseases and the depletion of natural resources. Our journey from the African savanna to the modern world is a testament to our adaptability and resilience. Through ingenuity and collaboration, we have overcome countless obstacles, leaving an indelible mark on the planet. As we continue to evolve, understanding our past is crucial for navigating the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. From understanding our past, we turn now to the future. Advancements in gene editing, like CRISPR-Cas9, hold immense potential. Imagine engineering crops for harsh environments. Even Mars, crops resistant to drought, disease, and pests, could ensure food security. This technology could sustain human life beyond Earth. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We must consider ethical implications and potential consequences. That's all for today, and keep reading.